What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm showing you basically sort of how I fit the vertical rads. So I got a call from a customer. He said that his plumber or mate or something first fixed all the pipe work, and he's either ill or away or something, and he just needs these rads fitting. There's 3 of them to do. There's two vertical ones and one sort of normal sort of size, but they're the anthracite designer rads. So I'll get them done. I think he's brought out the pipes in 10mm, which it isn't ideal, but because I wanted to get some, and I don't want to start chopping out around the pipes and changing them to 15mm. So what I think, because I want to put pipe colours on, so they're chrome and they look good, because my plan is for them to come straight out of the wall, straight into the valves on the rad. So I'm gonna have to come up with some sort of way of getting some capping or pipe covers on the pipes. So I'll have a look at that. What I might do is put a bit of 15 over the 10mm and then put the cap on, but I'm not too sure. So yeah, enough blabbing, let's get on the video. So got all my kit ready. This is one of the vertical rads that's going to go there. There's another one going to go up right there, and then one just over there. So this is the style, and just your normal sort of column vertical designer rad. So yeah, let's get cracking. So to get my measurement, I measure from the bottom of the rad to where the bottom of the brackets are on the top of the rad. Then I measure from the floor up to my measurement, which is there. Then what I do is measure from the floor again to the center of the valves, and then take a measurement between the center of the rad tail and the bottom of the rad. So from the floor to the bottom of my bracket there is that one, and then my measurement from the floor to the center of the pipe, I'll just add on top of that, which is the top one there, and then obviously deduct the measurement between the middle of the tail and the bottom of the rad. So there. So then I'll get the rad in the center, and then kind of measure or mark the 2 vertical support bits, whatever you want to call them, the gaps where the brackets go, which is there and there, and then so I just need to take a level line to this one, and then that will tell me where to drill. So there's my brackets on, according to my measurement. So let's see if I got it right. Right, as you can see there, bang on where I need it to be. So yeah, I mean this method works pretty much every time. So it's in the center, and then it's in the center of the pipes as well. So I'll start draining it and put the bottom brackets on. So that's all the brackets on. Now to put the rad tails in, hang it, and drain the pipes. there is no drain off on this side of the house, so I'm having to basically use a bucket, and yeah, bit of a pain, but never mind. So what I'm going to do to get from 10mm to the 15 is use these little reducing sets. I've used them before, and they work really well, just so that there isn't a you know, soldered on reducer. But so basically how they work is they come in 3 parts. So this bigger bit goes inside the valve, if you've never used these before, and then obviously the olive between, and then this part goes through the nut like that, and then just reduces it down to 10mm for a compression fitting. They're a bit of a sleeker look than the soldering ones, or the soldered reducers. So yeah, I tried to use these, and get a bit of paste on there, put it in, and get cracking. So this is the long, tedious process of draining it out. Right, while that one's draining, I'm going to start cracking on with this one, get it hung. Right, so that's that one all hung. That one's still bloody draining, so might as well get the smaller one on as well. There we go. Right, it finally finished draining. I got that one done, and then also that one, and then the little one out here. So I forgot to film the last bit of kind of showing how I did the pipe collars and covers, but basically all I did is just put a little bit of 15mm pipe on over the as it like a sleeve over the 10mm, and then put the pipe collar on, and then put the cover behind it, and yeah, it looks really good. It looks like it's 15mm, and it's you know, no copper on show, it's just chrome, so looks good, and customer's well happy with it. So yeah, job done, and see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.